Hey going guys, Steve here from Australian 4x4 Adventures again. Why did you buy your car? So this one is all about why did you buy your sexy beast of a car. For me, I've always wanted one. I love these things. I reckon they look sexy as. Ever since they came out, I actually didn't like them the first 12 months they came out. I thought they were ugly as sin. Then the modifications started to get on them, and they looked awesome. I loved it. Then the V8 diesel, you can get a decent exhaust on them. They sound amazing. For me, in my reasoning to buy this car was not the price, because they're too damn expensive. They hold their value really well. Not that that's super important to me, because I plan on keeping this car for at least 10 to 15 years. From there, accessories. There are an abundance of accessories for these cars. Pretty much you name it, you got it. Your ARB, TJM, unique four-wheel drive, Razzler, every other brand you can think of makes something for the 200s. Got a couple of issues obviously with some issues with the motor, but nothing that can't be fixed with a couple of little modifications here or there to make them 100% reliable. And considering the amount of cars that are out there versus how many that have actually had issues, it's a very, very small percentage, so wasn't something I was worried about. Main reason I upgraded my car, because I came from a 2000 model GU Ute, twin lock, 35-inch tyres, everything on it, full bar work the whole way around, everything. Spent way too much money on it, like way too much. I hope my wife isn't watching this actually. We were talking about starting a family, so I wanted to get a new 7-seater car. Very hard to go four-wheel driving and camping in a Ute with a young family. Apparently you can't put them on the tray or the roof rack. So that was sort of the main reasoning for upgrading. I'm a massive diesel fan. I love that little rattle you get underneath it. I love the sound out of the V8. Economy wasn't really a huge factor. My old Ute used to be getting sort of 15, 16 litres per 100. This thing's about the same. So having said that, I might do a quick run around on what I've done to the car and show you. I'll do a before and after photo as well, from when I bought the car to what it is now. We might just quickly run around the car and show you what I've done. So first off is obviously the really obvious one, the rear bar. So it's a Razzler rear bar with the twin pivots. So I've got the dual jerry can on the left hand side and the tyre on the right. Much better pricing than ARB and Kmart. Nice bends in it, sort of suited the contour of the car really well. I'm really happy with it overall. Side steps. So from there is I actually went the dimple with the Razzler writing cut into it. Thought it was a nice little addition. From there, same thing, better price than most out there and stronger. Sticks just outside the body, so it does protect the doors nicely, even in car parks, and obviously out in the bush, rocks, trees, all that sort of thing. Sort of hits the side step before it hits the panels. Up the front, ARB bull bar, and I went the steady LED headlights up the front there, which I reckon are a fantastic light. King 1 winch, I hadn't heard of it either until I won it in a competition. So the CSA Raptor large cap rims in the satin black. A Pioneer flat platform rack with the backbone mounting system. May have already seen the Howling Moon awning I've got on the side. I've got a little video made up of that, so you can have a squeeze of that one. Inside, the wetsuit seat covers. I've tried to keep everything fairly minimalistic inside the car. I don't like a lot of clutter. UHF in there as well. I just keep that, just the actual handpiece in here out of the way, and it just plugs into the socket. We'll go with that, hey. The unit itself, if you can see it, is just there, so it's tucked up out of the way in the glove box. The only King's product I own, the drawers. I have gone to town a little bit on the electrical side of it. Top one there is main and auxiliary battery voltage, and the other one down here is for some LED lighting up the top there. Obviously got the MSA fridge slide, drop down fridge slide, so it brings everything down there out of the way. 60 litre Engel fridge freezer. Because I've always got heaps of camera equipment. USB jacks, there, cigarette lighter jacks. So I've got 4 USBs on this side, 4 USBs on that side, 2 cigarette lighters and 2 cigarette lighters on each side as well. So that's pretty much most of it, guys. That is my 200 series, and that's why I bought it, because I wanted it. Simple as that. Maybe in the comments below, maybe put a couple of comments on what you don't like about your car, what you do like about your car, why you bought your car, why you think I'm wrong for buying my car. Thanks for watching. Obviously, hit the thumbs up. Tap the little bell up the top right hand corner there to get future notifications for more videos. Thanks, guys. See ya.